Todd the Dirt Man, and welcome back to another breakfast edition of Let's Get Dirty with the Dirt Man. And we are doing a killer recipe today. It is called Dirty Sausage Gravy. Oh, your family's gonna go crazy on this one. Here's all the ingredients for this great recipe for dirty sausage gravy. We are using regular sausage here. You don't want a spicy one, you want a nice mild one. We're using onions, black pepper, garlic powder, and the original dirt we're gonna do today. My personal favorite is with the Bayou. I like it a little bit more spicier, but you're gonna love this, so let's get started. All right, we're gonna get the sausage out and we're just gonna break this up, put it right in a nice hot pan. I absolutely love cast iron. You can use whatever kind of frying pan you want to use. All right, let's move the sausage around. Throw a half an onion, finely chopped. I like it finely chopped. That way, none of the onion is still there, but you get all the flavor. Mix it up really well. Now we're going to add the Todd's dirt. We're going to do about a tablespoon and a half of that original dirt. We're going to do about a tablespoon of garlic powder. And then let's add some black pepper. Probably about a teaspoon of black pepper. And then let's cook this thing down. Mix it up. Alright, so you really got to judge the amount of grease that you have here in the pan. This sausage is not rendering too much, so I'm going to add a tablespoon of margarine or butter. And now I'm going to add a tablespoon of flour. And I think I'm going to need a little bit more than that, so I'm going to go about 2 tablespoons. All right, now we're going to add the milk. We're going to start off with about a half a cup to start off with. Just mix that up really well. Mix that in with the roux that we made. You always want to add the milk slowly. We're going to do another half a cup. We'll probably do at least 2 cups in here. Now, as I mentioned before, we're doing the original dirt today. I prefer the Bayou dirt. I really love the added heat that you do when you're putting that in here. It's really, really nice. Really works well with the sausage, but this by itself is going to be this is way more of a traditional sausage gravy. One of the ways that you can tell it's starting to get ready is when you do a pullback test. You see that, how that's coming in together just like that? You see that? Can you see that, Josh?
Yep.
That is almost a perfect gravy right there. Look at that. What do you think, Josh? You think we're ready?
Yeah, I think so. Let's get to eating.
Let's get to eating. Hey, we're back, and now we're going to try this. Now, what I failed to show you was the biscuits that we made. I mean, look at these biscuits. I mean, do those look beautiful? They look just like Grandma made, or the ones that you probably made with Pillsbury. Yeah, it's more like Pillsbury for me. I've got it all plated right here. It looks beautiful. So let's try it. This is going to be so yummy. Wow. You're absolutely going to love this. You're going to go crazy for this. You're going to enjoy this for breakfast. Have it for dinner. Have it for breakfast. You'll love it. And remember, it's always a good time to get dirty.